All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their tote bag. We're gonna open it up and then I'll have my wife model it for you. Show you what we have here. The tote bag. Oh, dang, look at that. It's all gold. I love gold. Wow, that looks really nice. It's really sparkly. So this is like your strap for the tote bag. And then you've got these handles. Got another strap, a less flashy strap, but a nice little tote bag. Look at that. And then this zipper is like heavy duty. Look at that thing. Very strong looking zipper. So we got a pocket in here. Yes, we got a pocket here, got another zipper here, also the same type, very strong zipper for that pocket. And that's it on the inside. Nothing on the front but the tote bag and nothing on the back. So let me have my wife show you what it looks like with somebody using it. All right, so this is the tote bag.
Literally. Nice army green color.
And it, of course, has that gold strap and the other plain strap, but I think most people would want to carry it kind of like that.
Yeah, maybe.
I guess it depends on the girl.
Yeah, I think I prefer mine up on the shoulders, so I might wear a strap.
But it looks great on you. That's basically what it would look like if you're carrying this bag around. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.